To fix a hairline crack or chip in granite, get a matching piece of granite and grind it into dust using a grinder with a diamond bit. You only need about 2 small spoonfuls of granite dust to fill most cracks. Tape off the area around the crack with painter's tape. Combine enough of the granite dust with 2-part epoxy to make a thick paste. Use a wooden paint mixer to fill the crack with the epoxy mixture. Smooth it out as much as you can, then let it dry for around 24 hours. Remove the tape and carefully scrape away any excess epoxy from the surface with a razor blade. Then, buff the surface with wet buffing pads, starting with 100 grit and moving to 3000 grit. Repeat with dry buffing pads, starting with 400 grit and ending with 3000 grit, until the surface is completely smooth.